So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Samsung phone is overheating on One UI 8.5. Now there's a couple of different ways to go about fixing this for the most part. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is restarting your phone. Simply just restarting your device can probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. It can kind of clear out a lot of those temporary system glitches, and it can kill those stray processes that are just kind of stuck in the back. Now, another thing is to go through and update all your applications. This is another really big thing I'd recommend doing here as well. So going through and in the background, opening up your Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store and just kind of updating all the applications you have in the background there. That's another really big thing I'd recommend doing here too, and that can probably end up fixing the problem there for a lot of people as well. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just double check that your device care settings are properly fine. If you go inside of your settings application, go inside of battery and device care, or just device care, if you tap on the little optimize now option, that will actually kind of clear out the RAM and close out a lot of the idle background processes that are kind of going on that can also end up fixing and addressing these types of problems you're running into here as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.